at 110 Madison.
I already know this, but it's a great elevator.
Sure. So again, we are at 110 Madison. And I'm here with Jake and Kane.
I think 3 is locked.
Yeah.
Last time it was, but maybe we'll get off the list.
Okay.
It's a Delta.
Alright.
Yep.
Oh, listen to that chime.
3's locked, so.
They might just be burned out, but.
Or let's see first. Does the car move? No, so try 2.
This is a very nice Delta we got here.
Listen to the chime.
That like makes this very rare Delta though, so.
Yeah.
It says Delta, as you can see
Huh.
there.
Those are like newer rails, like.
Yeah, those are ThyssenKrupp rails.
Yeah, so I guess ThyssenKrupp maintains this.
Yeah.
And then those are GAL, right?
It's all in jail. I think it was slap on modded.
Yeah.
I
Because I've
think
read
this
in
is
Delta.
just the way it was installed.
Oh no, those look like older GAL fixtures.
That's true. I don't know though, because I've read in Deltas with Dewhurst. Let's listen to it.
This is a very nice elevator.
Yeah. There's your certificate.
JL is very satisfying too.
Hey, completed.
Also, I'm gonna get a look at the panel. You can see
Yeah.
it says
Delta.
Delta elevator.
So there it goes.
There it goes.
That's it.
And that's it.